In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change Autocad cursor size. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Changing your cursor size on any version of Autocad is extremely simple. You will be able to change it at any time and you don't even have to restart the program. All that you have to do is first open any drawing. It can either be a new blank one as I'm doing in this video or a pre-existing one. When you open any drawing, any project inside of AutoCAD, what you have to do to change your cursor size is to right click anywhere along the screen. You will see this option menu, and what you have to do is go over to the last setting here, options. Now, there are various relevant settings to changing your cursor size, and I'm going to show you all of them. You have the pick box size, which is the first one. You can find it under the selection tab. So by default, you are going to be on the files tab, switch over to selection. Now I'm going to bump this up just so you can notice the difference. But as you can see, this is going to change the object selection target height, the pick box system variable. I'm just going to make it super big to demonstrate. Remember to apply the changes and click OK. Immediately you can notice the difference. It is much bigger. Like I said, you can repeat this process as many times as you wish. You don't have to restart the program. Any changes that you made are going to be applied as long as you remember to click Apply and then OK. Now, the next relevant option is under display. So from the selection tab or the files tab, switch over to display and you will find the crosshair size. Once again, I'm just going to bump this up as much as possible for you to notice the changes. Apply, click OK, and you can see right now that the crosshair is taking up the whole screen. Once again, just like the selection category, you can change this at any time, adjust it on the fly according to your needs, and everything is going to appear at once. You can make one bigger, the other one smaller according to your needs, and all of the changes will appear immediately. It is super simple and you can repeat this process as many times as you wish. Just make sure to open a new project and you will find the options to alter the sizes in there. I hope I was able to help you on how to change AutoCAD cursor size. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.